The use of augmented reality or AR in the classroom is on the rise, usually to aid students with difficult topics, such as in mathematics. Augmented reality affords educators new ways to facilitate students' understanding of abstract ideas. According to the Curriculum and Materials Development Unit CAMDU, teachers through AR may be able to improve lessons, teach students new skills, spark new imaginations, and get them enthused about learning by taking advantage of the opportunities for engagement and experimentation that augmented reality technology provide. According to Curriculum Officer for Information and Communications Technology with CAMDU, Karen Rainey, the AR workshop, which forms part of the OECS Digital Education Capacity Strengthening Initiative, or DC, aims to develop culturally relevant augmented reality content and accelerate the use of technology in the education system.
So we're having the teachers to develop the content. We're looking to get a bank of OER content that can be shared among teachers throughout the OECS countries. And we are hoping that at the end of the two-day workshop, it will pique their interest to continue so that they could develop lesson plans and bring it into their classroom so they could get their students more engaged.
The Augmented Reality Workshop is also linked to the OECS review of the primary school harmonized curriculum. Ms. Rennie says using augmented reality in the classroom increases the potential to use hands-on learning strategies in an interactive learning environment with positive effects on student engagement, the quality of the learning experience, and the acquisition of new skills.
If we have our students more engaged, we know that learning could be more meaningful for them. We are hoping that, like especially our boys, they target our boys, and if they're able to immerse themselves into that with all the objects around them and the lesson around them, it might be more meaningful and they might enjoy the learning process. We try to get as much training for teachers to ensure that we develop or continue to develop the digital skills so that they could include all of these technologies into their classroom. We cannot go back the way we were before COVID.
CAMDU is also working with the OECS in hosting a workshop on content harvesting for local teachers under the DC initiative, which will work towards the creation of a repository of lesson plans created by teachers across the region.
The OECS has launched this program called the DESI initiative, where teachers from grades K to 3 will be engaged in a session where they will be creating content, digital content for grades K to 3 in the core subject areas, mathematics, language, science, and social studies.
The OECS Digital Education Capacity Strengthening DC initiative is a UNICEF and USAID funded project which came into existence in 2022. The initiative will enhance the quality of primary and secondary school education in the OECS by providing teachers and school leaders with training to strengthen their abilities to leverage technology in education and to distribute 1,500 high-quality lessons or units in the core subject areas. From the Communications Unit of the Ministry of Education, Sustainable Development, Innovation, Science, Technology, and Vocational Training, I am Chris Satney reporting.